So I'm Billy Pyatt. I'm from Bristol, Tennessee. I am a reformed corporate guy. I was in sales, marketing, and leadership for Corning Incorporated for 30 years. And then I started my own company, a small craft brewery in Western North Carolina and Eastern Tennessee. We ran that concurrently with my corporate career and then post corporate career. I graduated from that by selling it in 2021. Um, Bought my first RV shortly after we sold the company and loved it, loved the lifestyle, but decided I wanted something that was a little more out there, a little more rugged, a little more capable of some off road adventure. And my wife and I looked 6 or 8 months at the various options that were out there, found remote vans, and the rest is kind of a great story. So we were looking for something that was going to be a little more rugged. We loved the Sprinter chassis. That was what our last RV was made of, and it was a little soft. It was great for on-road adventures. It had a little more room, had a slide out, some things like that, that we decided were overkill for the places and the trips that we wanted to take. We wanted to plan less. We wanted to go out of the way a little more. And that necessitated getting something that was built a little more for the rugged or outdoor off-road lifestyle. As we were looking, of course, the first thing we looked at some Winnebago models, the Storyteller models, and they're great vehicles, and each one has something special. And we focused on a couple of things that seemed to be important to our usage. One was battery capacity. I wanted something that could offer 2, 3, 4 days worth of battery capacity. The other was self-sufficiency. I didn't want propane involved in my life anymore. I wanted something that had an onboard charging system that I could rely on. And the third really was just some of the, I don't know, accessories. We knew that we were going to want some of the external gear carriers. We knew we wanted a nice roof rack. We knew we wanted Starlink. These are things that were just in our decision matrix. And as we began to learn more about remote vans, just about everything we wanted was here, and it was factory installed. And even better, it's going to be factory supported. We looked at all the models remote vans made. We were initially between the Oasis and the Aegis. We came here and visited the factory last summer, June, July. It was at the end of one of our road trips, and everyone was so accommodating. We went through everything on all three models. And at the end of the day, there may be a little bit of overkill in the Aegis for my wife and I. I'm 64, she's 62. We don't do all of the outdoor off-road backcountry stuff we did in our youth. But some of the features on the Aegis, like we love the seats, absolutely love the seats. Love the rear step bumper. We loved just the look of the Aegis. We have the dark mission, and we're just sold on it. So we left here after our factory tour in June, July, went back to a local brewery, Mad Tree Brewing. It's in our blood, and sat down and said, okay, which one do we want, and how long is it going to take to get it? We settled on the Aegis and have been happy ever since. The things we love about it: the seats are very comfortable. I know this sounds weird for an off-road oriented van, but having just a little bit of luxury is kind of neat when you're in the middle of nowhere. We love the look, the subtle striping in the Dark Mission package has just been perfect for us.